I was born in Italy, in Verona. I moved here 5 years ago with my family, and I work as a waitress in Stradley Park Hotel. I've gained a qualification in professional cookery and hospitality and food and beverage service.
For the business, it's a huge asset for us to have Liz working here, and the way she's come on is just amazing. Her customer skills and the love that she has for her job is unbelievable, and she really is one of a kind. 2013, where I did the cook and serve competition and we won it. So after the victory, we decided to carry on with competitions. The more we were doing them, the more confident I was becoming. I decided to enter the World Skills competition, which was last year in Birmingham. I won gold, and I'm now part of the squad UK. So my goal at the moment is to be able to represent the UK in Dubai, hopefully.